This how-to video will be on how to ensure or set communications up so that they do not send any messages or bother the output on a break. So if you have a schedule where you have a, say, first break, a lunch or dinner, and a second break, so essentially we can set up the route so that it doesn't send out messages to those people during those break times. So from your welcome VT3000 page, you're going to select the core software. Basically, we're trying to go to routing, so you can select that over here on the left, or you can use the icons. So configuration and routing. I've got some test routes set up right here. So basically, I'm going to select the route that I want to change. I'm going to hit edit. And it's right here on this first page. There's this send communications always. So that's where whatever their availability is, sends it to them. Like I say, for the to shift 6 to 2, that'll send communication 6 a.m. 2 p.m. What I can do is I can select here, which is only during scheduled time, and then I only have one schedule, but if you had multiple ones, you can select what schedule this applies to, and now it's not going to send messages to the personnel on the escalation. So like for instance, I've got these guys here, so maintenance and John Doe, it's not going to send them any communications during a break time. Once you have that set up like you want it, right schedule, just hit save and exit. Now that will automatically perform in that manner. That will conclude this how-to on how to not send messages during break times on a route. Forward talking to you again.